Good morning, students. Our subject English. Lesson number 4. Cleanliness is next to godliness. This time, exercise of the lesson. Open page number 6060. Question number 1. Choose the correct answers. Dash was messy. He left his dirty socks on the floor. So, Michael was messy. He left his dirty socks on the floor. B. He spotted ripe, juicy apples on the ground. C. Michael spat the seeds on the grass. Soon there was a huge pile of black sticky seeds. D. He took all the seeds and buried them under the ground. E. Michael learned that it is much better to be neat and tidy. है ना? Now on the same page. Turn your page. Page number 6060. Tick the correct sentence. A1. Michael Mouse lived in a mouse hole with 3 other mice. A. Number 2. Michael Mouse lived in a mouse hole with 3 other cats. So A. Number 1 is right. Tick it there. B. Michael never put his dishes in the washing machine. B2. Michael never put his dishes in the sink. So second one is right. C. Michael had to leave his home as he was messy. C2. Michael had to leave his home as he grew old. So tick first one. C1. D. Martin Mouse refused to take Michael home with him. D2. Martin Mouse took Michael home with him. So first one is right. Martin ने refuse कर दिया था. E. Michael realized that it is much better to be neat and tidy than to be sloppy and messy. E2. Michael realized that it is much better to be sloppy and messy than to be neat and tidy. So first one is right. Okay, now complete the question answer. Where did Michael Mouse live at the first? Answer. Michael Mouse lived in a mouse hole. B. Why did he have to leave his home? Answer. He had to leave his home because his friends did not want to live with someone so messy. C. What did he find on the ground under an apple tree? Answer. He found ripe, juicy apples on the ground under an apple tree. D. Martin Mouse did not want to take Michael to his house. Why? Answer. Martin Mouse did not want to take Michael to his house because he was untidy and messy. Okay? Now next. What did Michael learn at the end of the story? Michael learned that it is much better to be neat and tidy than to be messy. Clear? Now, vocabulary and pronunciations. Plurals. Singular, plural. है ना? Singular means one, plural means more than one. A ball, one bird है, a bird. Cat भी one ही है तो a cat. Nouns can be more than one. We add s to make plurals. 2 balls, 3 birds, 4 cats. Look at the pictures and write the name in the singular or plural form according to number of item in the picture. Add s whenever necessary. Okay? Now, doll one ही है तो वो singular है doll. Pencils more than one तो pencils. We have to add s. More than one book, books. More than one kite, kites. Cup, spoon. है ना? एक रहती है तो सिंगुलर, मोर देन वन देन प्लूरल. When nouns end with s, sh, ch and x, we add es to change the singular noun to plural noun. जब कोई भी वर्ड के लास्ट में s आता है या तो sh आता है, ch आता है या x आता है तो हमें क्या ऐड करना रहता है? प्लूरल फॉर्म में es. एग्जाम्पल बॉक्स, boxes, brush, brushes. Write the plural form of the following words: fox, foxes, glass, glasses, wish, wishes, bunch, bunches. है ना? सब में आया, किसी में s, किसी में sh, ch and x. Okay? Now, when nouns end with y, we add ies to change the singular noun to plural noun. अब जब y आता है एंड में तो तब हमें क्या ऐड करना पड़ता है? ies. एग्जाम्पल पप्पी, पप्पीज, पोनी, पोनीज. ठीक है? बट if there is a vowel before y, then we add just s and not ies. अगर y के पहले, एग्जैक्ट पहले क्या आता है? वॉवेल आता है ना? तो हम लोग सिर्फ s यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे स्पेलिंग ऑफ मंकी MONKEY. y के पहले क्या आया? e आया तो e क्या है? वॉवेल है. AEIOU तो सिर्फ हमें मंकीज़ लिखना है. बॉय, BOY बॉय, y के पहले o आया और है ना? तो वॉवेल कौन सा है? o वाला वॉवेल है तो सिर्फ s करना है. क्लियर? मैच द सिंगुलर नाउन टू इट्स प्लूरल फॉर्म. कॉलम A एंड कॉलम B. बॉय, स्टोरी, puppy, toy, monkey. Monkeys, toys, stories, boys, puppies. So boy, boys, story, stories, puppy, puppies, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys. Clear? Now, write the correct form. Singular, plural. Woman, woman. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Foot, fit. Tooth, teeth. Man, man. You will be surprised to know that some singular nouns remain the same even in their plural form. कि कुछ कुछ सिंगुलर नाउन वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जो प्लूरल में भी सेम ही रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शिप, शिप, शिप का शिप ही रहता है. डियर, डियर का भी डियर ही रहता है. ओके. नाउ these words are spelled wrong. Rewrite the words with the correct spelling. WINTER. So the correct spelling WINTER, winter. THERTY. So the correct spelling THIRSTY, thirsty. FLOWER. So the correct spelling FLOWER, flower. STER. So the correct spelling STAR, star. Now filling the blanks using M, is or are. I am writing a story about pet animals. M. I am going for a movie today. My mother is taking the dog for a walk. My parents are going to visit a doctor today. I am a tall boy. The fruits are in the basket. Butterflies are colorful insects. Okay? Shalu is a dancer. Rohan and Rehan are good friends. My sister is fond of chocolates. Clear this thing? Now on the same page. Look at the given pictures and write a sentence about each. Use am, is or are in the sentences. A. The boy is flying a kite. B. They are cleaning utensils. C. I am riding a bicycle. है ना? Now on the same page. Countable and uncountable nouns. अब ये nouns can be either countable और uncountable. nouns कुछ countable रहते हैं और कुछ uncountable रहते हैं. मतलब कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को हम count कर सकते हैं, गिन सकते हैं. कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को हम count नहीं कर सकते. How can you tell if a noun is a countable or an uncountable noun? Countable nouns are easy to find out. They are things that we can count. They have both singular and plural form. Countable noun बहुत easy समझ में आ जाती है हमें. ठीक है. वो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें रहते हैं जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं और वो सिंगुलर में भी आ सकती है एंड प्लूरल में भी आ सकती है. एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ अ पेन. वी कैन काउंट पेन्स. है ना? पेन को काउंट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन हैव 1, 2, 3 और मोर पेन्स. Things that we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. जो चीज़ कुछ कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी है जिसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं उसे हम अनकाउंटेबल नाउन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, मिल्क. यू से आई ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ मिल्क. हम कह सकते हैं कि हमने बहुत सारा दूध पिया. पर ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि मैंने 1 दूध पिया, 2 दूध पिए. ओके, वी कैन नॉट काउंट मिल्क. हम मिल्क को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट, circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. सर्कल काउंटेबल है, मेरा उल्टा हो गया. ओके, तो शुगर अनकाउंटेबल, राइस अनकाउंटेबल, पेपर काउंटेबल, पेपर, पेन्स काउंटेबल, लीव्स अनकाउंटेबल, फ्लावर्स काउंटेबल, बटरफ्लाई क्या है, काउंटेबल, स्ट्रॉबेरीज काउंटेबल, मनी काउंटेबल, चीज़ अनकाउंटेबल, है ना, एंड रैबिट काउंटेबल. ठीक है, ये सब हम चीज़ गिन सकते हैं. शुगर नहीं गिन सकते, राइस अनकाउंटेबल रहते हैं, लीव्स बहुत सारे रहते हैं, अनकाउंटेबल रहते हैं. ठीक है, चीज़ हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, उसके क्यूब्स होते हैं, वो बात अलग है. क्लियर? नाउ write any 2 countable nouns that you can find in your classroom. Benches, blackboard. Okay? Now, write any 2 uncountable nouns that you can find in your classroom. तो चौक का हम जैसे चूरा या कुछ कर लेते हैं तो वो अनकाउंटेबल हो जाता है. पेजेस अनकाउंटेबल हो जाते हैं, है ना, वैसे. Now, look at the table. Connect the word appropriately. Write the full sentence in the blanks. One has been done for you. I, Shalu, Meera and Sonu. I, they, mother, we, I. Okay, ये second column है. Am, is, are. एंड ये थर्ड कॉलम है. अ डांसर, क्लासमेट्स, गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप, अ टॉल गर्ल, बिजी कुकिंग, राइटिंग अ स्टोरी, अ क्लेवर बॉय, एन्जॉइंग द रेन. तो ये सबको हमें जॉइंट करके लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट, आई एम अ टॉल गर्ल. शालू इज़ अ डांसर. Meera and Sonu are classmates. I am writing a story. They are going on a trip. Mother is busy cooking. We are enjoying the rain. I am a clever boy. Clear? Now worksheet number 1. Write if the words in bold are countable nouns or uncountable nouns. Number 1. There is some milk left in the bottle. तो bold letter में क्या है? Milk and bottle. So milk is uncountable noun. Bottle is countable noun. The eggs did not have any salt. Eggs countable noun, salt uncountable noun. There are lots of sugar in the biscuit. तो sugar uncountable noun, biscuit countable noun. Trees has both flowers and leaves. Flowers countable, leaves uncountable. The pen has very little ink. Pen countable and ink uncountable. Clear this thing? Now, worksheet number 3. Make correct sentences using am, is or are with the given phrases. One has been done for you. मैंने कर A. My mother and father oblique going in the hospital. So my mother and father are going in the hospital. I oblique going for a vacation. I am going for a vacation. She sick. She is sick. The children oblique dancing on stage. The children are dancing on stage. Both the sisters wearing glasses. Both the sisters are wearing glasses. Clear this thing? Now, fill in the blanks with am, is or are. My brother is playing football. I am going to school. She is very tall. The children are going on a picnic. My cousin is playing a guitar. ठीक है? सो यहाँ पे ये हमारा लेसन कंप्लीट होता है ना. एंड एक्सरसाइज प्रॉपरली विथ गुड हैंड राइटिंग आप टेक्स्ट बुक में लिख के हमें प्रॉपर टाइम पे सबमिट कर देना है ना. प्लीज़ 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 कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क प्रॉपरली विथ अ गुड हैंड राइटिंग. ओके, थैंक यू एंड टेक केयर. बाय बाय.